Hello, in this video we will explore the basics of the bulk payments upload. To start, open the channel where you would like to make the upload. Now click Finance and then Uploads. You will be sent to the Payment Uploads tab. This page will give you the last date where the Payment Uploads tab was used. Click Next at the bottom right. You will be taken to the download page, which will allow you to download a template for the bulk payment upload. Let's have a look at that template now. Let's go through this CSV now. In the first two columns, we have your trading partner name and reference. For this part, you input either one or the other or both. However, there must be one column that is consistently entered across the template. Next, you input the currency of the payment you would like to upload, followed by the payment value, which is the total net value of the payment that you would like to allocate. You can then input the tax of the payment into the tax column, which cannot be allocated. This tax value can be used for reporting purposes and makes no actual difference to the payment allocation. Note, this all depends on the tax law in your country, and so your finance team will have to make a choice on how and if to use this column. So, if we don't use this functionality, we can leave it at 0, which I will do for this demonstration. The overall gross payment you have received should be the sum of these two boxes. You can then input payment method, options can be found in the instructions tab, the date of the payment, which must be in the form year, month, day, as shown here, and the external reference of the payment. The external reference is a vital part of the payment that can be used to identify the payment. For example, you could use the reference of the credit note or the payment reference, anything that is unique to that supplier, i.e. you can't assign two payments to the same trading partner with the same external reference. You can also add notes, however this is optional. Finally, we come to allocation. This is a very malleable area of bulk payment, which is one of the main advantages of this feature. You can allocate as much as you would like to as many different program lines and even leave some of the payment unallocated until later. Note, a payment line is separate to a program line. For example, a program line with quarterly payment frequency will have 4 payment lines a year. You can find the payment line that you need in the Debtors Report tab of the Finance app. As you saw before, the template has 3 allocated lines as standard. However, this can be increased to as many as you require, simply by writing in column headings as shown in the same format. Also note that there is no need to delete the extra columns if you only input values into the first 1 or 2, for example. If we return to trading programs, you can see that the next page is the instructions page. This gives some key information that will help to fill out the template. If we click Next, we will be taken to the Upload page. This is where we upload the bulk payment CSV that we have just filled out. Click Upload. Once loaded, you will be shown a Summary tab on the validation page. On this tab, it will show the number of rows where you have underallocated and overallocated. If you're happy, click Next. Now the payment will be processed into the system. This may take a few minutes. After this is completed, you can add attachments here also. For example, the credit note, invoices, receipts, anything that you would normally store when logging a payment. Now click Next. Congratulations, your payments have gone through. You can check your work by going to Finance, then Payment History, and this will give a breakdown as shown. Thank you for watching. Please contact us at Enable if you have any further questions.